Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about Python tuple. How to create a tuple, what is the syntax of tuple, and what is the difference between a list and tuple, and how we are using this tuple with for loop. We are going to see in this video.
Okay. Tuple is a finite order list of elements separated by comma enclosed in parentheses. This is same like a list. Already we know that in the list all items are enclosed in square brackets. Here in the values enclosed in parentheses. This is the differentiation between list and tuple. And one more major difference is the list is mutable, but whereas tuple is a immutable. That means here we can change the list. That means we can add the elements, we can remove the elements, we can update any value in the list because it's a mutable. But whereas tuple is a immutable, that means it's unchanged. We cannot do any modifications to the tuple. Once we created, it's fixed. And we can create n number of items in a tuple. And also the item may not be a same type. It may contain all items, maybe integers, maybe strings, maybe float, maybe combination of data types. Already list also same, right? List లో కూడా మనం డిఫరెంట్ డేటా టైప్స్ ని యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ టపుల్స్ లో కూడా మనం డిఫరెంట్ ఐటమ్స్ ని యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి. దిస్ స్టూడెంట్ రికార్డ్ ఇస్ ఎ tuple name, and the item 1 is 101, item 2 is some name, it's maybe okay some name, and 150 is the value, is the item 1 2 3. This student record, it's a tuple, contains three items. And also how to access the elements. To access the tuple elements are items. Tuple elements are items we are accessing using index numbers. Index number or reverse index. Forward index or reverse index. Already forward index ante enti, reverse index ante enti మనం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో చూసినాం. అదొకటి ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే మీకు లిస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో లిస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో ఉంటుంది చూడండి. ఫార్వర్డ్ ఇండెక్స్ రివర్స్ ఇండెక్స్ అంటే ఏంటో ఒక వీడియో ఉంటుంది, ఆ వీడియోలో చూడండి. ఓకే, వీ కెన్ యాక్సెస్ ద టపుల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ యూజింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆర్ రివర్స్ ఇండెక్స్. సపోజ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ప్రింట్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టూడెంట్. ద టపుల్ నేమ్ ఏంటి? స్టూడెంట్ రికార్డ్ నుంచి మనకు సెకండ్ ఐటమ్ కావాలి అంటే ఏంటి? అరే ఇండెక్స్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 0 to size -1, రైట్? సేమ్ లైక్ హియర్ ఆల్సో. First item index number is 0, second item is 1. So if you want to print the value, student record of 1, then it will be print index number 1 item, that is second item. Okay, we can access the elements like this. Tuple 1 is equals to, I am creating same 20 30 40. Okay, tuple create చేస్తున్నాను. I am going to print the tuple 1 of 3. Tuple 1 of 3. The tuple 1 is the tuple name, tuple 1, and the 3 is the index. 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. It will print 40. Just run the program and check it. Run module, check the output, 40. Okay. If it is negative indexing, -3. Save and run module. See here at 20. -3 means 20. We can access the tuple elements using index numbers, whether it may be forward index or negative index. And if you want to find the length of the tuple, we are using length method. Len of tuple 1, length of tuple 1. So x is equals to length of tuple 1. I'm going to print length comma x. Save and run. Says the 4. Already we know that we have 4 elements, 4 items in this tuple 1. Okay, we can loop through the tuple items by using for loop. We can use the tuple in for loop. How to use? Simple. For x in tuple 1. For x in tuple 1, indentation open, print x. I'm going to print all the items one by one using for loop from tuple 1. Okay, how? By using for loop. Save the program, run module. See here, all the items are printed like individual items. If you want to print total tuple, we can use simply print tuple length. Tuple 1 is a tuple length. Save and run module. See here, the tuple is printed. And also we can create empty tuple also. How to create empty tuple? Without elements, without items, right? Tuple 1, empty parenthesis, run module. It's a empty tuple. This is about tuple. Okay, the main point is we can create the tuple by using parenthesis, and tuples are immutable objects. We cannot change, we cannot add anything. So this is the basics of tuple.